Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do in order to be able to turn off previously opened apps is to open the recents, the kind of section. And depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and the recents will appear. On the other hand, if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button, on the icon, on the button actually, with I believe square icon or 3 bars icon, one of those, but for sure you will know which one. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, and basically if you want to you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, just tap on this X button which will close all of them. And as you can see we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent apps, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background processes, all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.